Hi, CCDS community. I'm Heidi Wallace with ACD, here to share a quick update with you on all things ACD in the last few months. First, I want to thank everyone for helping us raise a record number of funds through our 2023 Walk for Strength. Thanks to families and their communities around the world, we raised $94,614. This is a new record, and we could not have done it without you. So thank you for your support, and we look forward to walking again with you in 2024. Our 2023 virtual conference is coming up on August 18th with a caregiver session and August 25th and 26th with a general session. Please visit creatinginfo.org/virtual-conference if you have not signed up yet. You can also see the full schedule with speakers posted there. Some of the speakers included below will be speaking on new research topics on August 25th and 26th. And below are featured some of our caregiver session speakers who will be talking about things such as sleep, behaviors, and supporting the non-CCDS siblings in your family. So please sign up today and reach out with any questions. While most of the talks will be recorded, the question and answer session will only be open to those participating live, so we hope that you can make it live on these days. Another program to be aware of is our expert panel. The next meeting of the expert panel is October 6th, 2023 at noon Eastern Time. These meetings are open to caregivers and their clinicians to discuss concerns of caregivers, as well as an expert panel's perspective on different approaches to helping the patient affected by a CCDS. One way to participate in this meeting is to submit questions through our Ask the Experts form. To participate in this meeting, get signed up, and submit questions, please visit creatinginfo.org/expert-panel. We also host a SIB Shops meeting, and you can learn more about this meeting by attending the caregiver session and hearing from Jess Kruger. She is a certified SIB Shops instructor who leads our discussions. We meet approximately every 3 months, with the next meeting coming up Saturday, October 7th. These meetings for the siblings of individuals affected by CCDS are divided into age ranges, and it's a great way for these siblings to receive support and build relationships with others. ACD continues to move forward in our research project to develop core outcome set for GAMT and CTD. We're in stage 2 of this process, which means we are surveying the community of caregivers, clinicians, and researchers to see what everyone feels are the most important outcomes to be measured in clinical trials. We recently completed round 2 of the Delphi survey, and we do have one more round, which you'll be invited to very soon if you participated in round 1 or round 2. You will receive this invitation through email from REDCap, and we hope that you will please respond. One encouraging word is that round 3 will be quite a bit shorter than round 2, as many outcomes have been eliminated based on your responses in round 1 and round 2. After round 3 is completed, our group will move towards consensus, holding a consensus workshop in November, after which we will release the core outcome set to the greater community. Please reach out with any questions, and we look forward to round 3 of the Delphi. ACD hosts a patient registry and natural history study. The registry is hosted at creatinginfo.imrare.org. IMRare is the NORD registry platform, which is the platform that we use. We recently released the oral medication survey, which we will share some results with in a moment. Very soon, we are releasing the cardiovascular survey, and then later this year, we plan to release the seizure survey. One interesting finding from the oral medication survey was that the majority of caregivers reported that their child does not like flavoring in their oral medication. 59% ranked unflavored medication as one of their child's favorite flavors. So that was very interesting. Thank you for those who participated. This is a great way to share information about our patients with the greater research and industry communities. We have a goal at ACD of having 200 participants in our registry. Speaking with experts in the field, this is a number that we were recommended would be a very statistically significant number to reach in our data. And the good news is we're only 14 participants shy of that number. So if you're one of our many new families that have joined the community recently and haven't checked out the patient registry, again, you can do that at creatineinfo.imrare.org. You may want to get started and thoroughly read the information, the consent form as you prepare to join, so you can learn more about how our registry is hosted and how your information is held in a safe manner and the purpose of the registry. And for those who have been sitting on the fence and thinking about joining, I encourage you to check this out, to reach out, ask questions, and consider helping us represent our rare voices around the world in one platform. Some newborn screening updates. As many of you know, GAMT was added to the United States recommended uniform screening panel at the beginning of this year, and we have seen huge momentum around the world since this very important event. Australia recently released that they are recommending inclusion of GAMT throughout Australia. Alberta, Canada had a recent recommendation to add GAMT. And here in the US, we just learned that Connecticut has begun screening for GAMT. So we're excited for all this momentum. If you would like to get involved in your state, please reach out. We would love to have you as an ambassador or in your country as well. And on that note, we have a global ambassador program. Please reach out if you would like to be more involved. We would love to have you attend our quarterly meetings and learn more about this program. Just to recap, the ACD's vision is that one day all patients will be diagnosed and have an appropriate treatment shortly after birth. We do that through education, promoting diagnosis, early diagnosis, and supporting research. And in the last quarter, we have accomplished this through hosting our expert panel meetings, our SIBShops meetings, having a caregiver session during our upcoming virtual conference, providing clinical trial education, hosting our Walk for Strength, which drives awareness of creatine deficiencies and the symptoms to get more folks looking for this and diagnosing their children. And newborn screening advocacy and research support also promotes diagnosis of creatine deficiencies. And lastly, we are promoting research through our virtual conference convening, through our registry surveys, our core outcome set development, and our funding of fellowships and creatine deficiency research center. I hope that you will participate in the community survey and let us know how we're doing. Let us know if we are communicating in the platforms that you prefer, and also provide us a little background on your familiarity with drug development process. Thank you for your attention today and for your participation in all of our many initiatives. We hope to see you at the upcoming conference. Take care.